let's check this thing out and see how it does. Scared the crap out of me. Right out of the box, works perfect. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a fantastic day as always. We're back out in the garage for another quick video today. Novsight has sent us out air compressor portable jump start pack. So if you caught one of my previous videos, they sent us out some really nice N99 LED light bulb upgrades for our RAM project. They turned out amazing, plug and play, and super bright. I'll leave that video link down below if you're interested in checking that out. But they also, huge shout out to them, they also sent us out a portable jump start pack. So if you're on the road or you don't have jumper cables or you're all by yourself, this would be a huge tool to have in your vehicle with you. If your tires got some low pressure, like ours tend to leak down in the colder months and whatnot, need to put a little bit of air in them, you can do that with this tool as well. And then if you've got a weak battery or you can't start your car, you can hook this thing up and jump start it by yourself wherever you might be. So really valuable tool to have in your car with you. So let's take a look at what they sent us and let's do some test runs with it. And if you want to follow along with more stuff like this on the channel, I'd appreciate it hugely. Hit that thumbs up if you like the video and want to see more content like this. Hit subscribe, of course. Leave any comments or questions down below and I'll try to answer it for you guys. But let's check out what's in the box. So it came to us shipped in this box, and you open it up and it's a super nice little carrying case. It's got everything tucked away, a little zipper case you can keep in your trunk, in your toolbox, whatever the case may be. But yeah, nice little kit here. It's got some weight to it too. And let's get it unzipped and see what we got. So we've got our little instructions here on what we got in the package. Everything's nice and neat. Let's see what we got in our package here. We've got our air compressor adapter hose here for your tires. Some tubing for the wires here. Here are our adapters for our battery cables. Hooked to the battery. Set them over here. What else we got? Oh, all kinds of air compressor adapters here for different various options. Got some more air compressor tubes and fittings here. And I'm assuming this is our USB to USB-C adapter for charging the unit itself. So let's get it out, see what it looks like. Very nice, very nice. So here's our air compressor tubes, inflators. So if you want to blow up something like a float, basketball or something, there's our compressor. And let's see, this is our adapter for our jump start plug, so we can plug that in and test that out too. So yeah, looks like it also comes with a light on the end of it if you need a flashlight or be able to light up at night for anything. So nice little portable unit here. Let's hit the power button and see if we got any juice. There we go. So it looks like the battery's fully charged. Probably should top it off just to be sure. And we've got our PSI that we can set and adjust. Let's see what we got. Yep, there we go. Look at that. We can set and adjust our PSI, how we want it to run and operate, and good to go. So yeah, let's check this thing out and see how it does. Scared the crap out of me. So we got it powered up, turned on, and we've got our inflator hooked to it, and we can click our our flashlight, and it lights up just fine. And then you click it again. You've got a strobe emergency light if you need it. You've got a slow blinking, and you can turn it back off and back through again. Pretty nifty. And then you can just hold down the power button and it'll turn it back off. So let's go check it out and see how it inflates. Let's test it out and see what happens. We'll turn it on. It's got it set to car mode and it's reading 37, so let's bump that up. My tires are about 39 or so, and we'll hit the power button. there you go. I mean, for 39 psi, that pumped it up really quickly for such a small, compact unit. So it's got some pretty decent power in it. Now I don't know about a giant tractor tire or something else like that, but for an automobile, bicycle, anything else, it made short work of it. Now, that it did lose a bar of power, but that's completely uncharged, straight out of the box, been sitting on the workbench for a week plus now. So I didn't even charge it, just hooked it straight to the truck and it worked perfect. So we've got our jumper cable adapter plugged into the side of the unit. It's flashing ready to go. Again, I haven't even charged this thing, but it's ready to start jumping off the vehicle. You just hook the red, obviously, to your positive, black to the negative. The lights stop blinking, and it's ready to start your car. It's just that easy. So a super helpful tool to have in your truck, car, trunk, vehicle, off-road, side-by-side, four-wheeler, anything, boat, RV, to help you out if you got a weak or a dead battery, or you got a flat tire, need a flashlight. Just super handy tool, and right out of the box, works perfect. So guys, it really can't get much easier than that. That's the Novsight portable compressor, inflator, and jump pack. I'll link down below if you guys are interested in picking up something like this. Again, just a super quick video to share this product with you. Again, we did their LED light bulb install and upgrade in another video. I'll leave that link down below. I've got affiliate links to their website. If you're interested in picking up something, coupon codes and whatnot, you can save you a little bit of money in the process, help out the channel. But again, it's just short and sweet to show you what I got and how well it really worked right out of the box. No problem. It's nice and compact, so it doesn't take up much space. So yeah, that's a success in my book. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me as always. If you want to, leave the video a thumbs up, share it. Any comments, leave them down below. Try to answer all your guys' comments if I possibly can. Hit subscribe if you want to follow along with more sponsored videos, product reviews, and unboxing. We're doing all kinds of stuff. We got a lot of different things on the bench over here. We're in the process, so got a lot of videos coming down the pipeline. Appreciate you guys sticking around and watching those, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.